my understanding that as we stand here today, we stand in Supervisorial District number 9, and that's David Campos' district.
Thank you so much. We are in the best. Actually, is it 6?
6.
Well, okay.
Sorry, David, it's 6.
Well,
It's 6.
we are at least bordering the best district in the city.
We are in the best district.
But seriously, listen, workers are under attack. You have corporate interests throughout the country. Here in San Francisco, you have downtown, CPMC, and other corporate entities trying to buy this election. We need to make sure that we have supervisors on the Board of Supervisors that actually stand for workers, that are not going to blame the workers for the problems that this city has. We need a Board of Supervisors that understands that we have to respect the dignity of every human being. Doesn't matter what your immigration status is. Doesn't matter where you were born. The fact is that you're a person who's trying to make a difference. We need to make sure that we have a Board of Supervisors that understands that San Francisco protects working people. It doesn't take away benefit from families. It doesn't take away health care from kids. It doesn't take away anything from people who are simply trying to make ends meet. That is not San Francisco, but it's going to take us working hard to make sure that happens. I also want to say something to the Spanish-speaking people who are here, a los trabajadores que hablan español, a decirles que necesitamos elegir líderes que van a proteger a nuestra comunidad, que van a luchar por la comunidad latina, que van a respetar los derechos de los inmigrantes, líderes que entienden que San Francisco es una ciudad santuario, que respeta la dignidad de cada ser humano, no importa dónde nació, no importa si es inmigrante, no importa lo que sea, cada persona es ser humana, tiene que ser respetada. Estas son las clases de líderes que necesitamos. So we need to work. We have 32 days. Let's go make it happen. We're gonna win. Se puede. Se puede. Sí se puede. Sí se puede. Sí se puede. Yes, we can.
All right.